Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Judy, and we are back with a Christmas walkthrough, maybe haul. Depends what kind of stuff we see, but I am super excited because these two are my favorite times of the year, autumn and Christmas. And everything here looks beautiful. Okay guys, here we are, we're getting started, and this is my favorite time of the year and I'm so excited. Look at what the things I found as soon as I walk in the store. One of the end caps, 'tis the season. This is so cute. I don't remember, I have to go over all of my Christmas stuff to see if I have this. I'm trying to check the price. $14.99. I think I'm gonna have to go over all my Christmas stuff because I know I have a lot of Christmas stuff. I just don't remember what it is I have. And they have these best day of my life canisters with the red top, which looks cute. Frozen. Oh, look at that. That's cute. I like these. These are really cute. The little espresso mugs. And then they have Santa Claus and Santa's helper back there. These cute little elves. Oh wow. I've always admired the craftsmanship in these kind of pieces right here. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Okay guys, so this is the section that usually has all the Rae Dunn seasonal, and wow, what is this? This is beautiful. That gingerbread back there, I have to get it out this year. They have so many beautiful things. Wow. Beautiful cookie jar. They have the big Merry Christmas ball. Those are huge, by the way. You have to have a big kitchen in order to display that because it would take a lot of space. What is this? And everything nice. Gingerbread spice and everything nice. $5.99. That's cute. They have the North Pole mugs. Oh wow, they have quite a bit. 'Tis the season back here. Oh, they have a couple of autumn mugs down here. Everything pumpkin. Oh my gourd. Gather Turkey Day. This is cute. These are so cute and adorable. Are these... Okay, I'm so afraid of breaking something. They look like Joanna Parker, but I can't tell. Hey, how's it going? These are beautiful. I love this matte finish. Red inside, what? That's cute. Look at that. Fall, y'all. All these holiday mugs. I'm loving this. I really am. Santa defined good. Oh, that's a good one. Look at that. JP. Look at that. Oh, this is cute. Adorable. Is this a candle? I don't know, and I have to be very careful. Oh wow, this is so adorable. Look at the spoon. Let me see the front. Oh, I can see it's the snow guy here. Okay guys, so this is a random part of the store where they have like miscellaneous, not clearance, but like a whole bunch of mixed things together. And just wanted to show you these beautiful pieces that they have going on here. Worth melting for 20 bucks. This cute canister from the Frozen line. But look at this, guys. This is the Disney line, the Disney collab. This is beautiful. And then Queens of Hearts. This is the back of it. The topper is missing though for this one. But what? And these are $9.99, by the way. Not bad. Because original plain mugs are actually like $7. And then they have a toast down here. And this Harry Potter set. Oh, they have another one here. Another tea time. I wonder why it's hidden. Somebody probably hid it. But look at this. Complete beautiful set. That's gorgeous. For those of you ladies that collect this Disney collection. Wow, look at this. They have the big ornaments already out. I am super excited for this Christmas season. As you know, I don't record anything Halloween, but I do East, Christmas, and fall. Look at that cute Pixie Ducks, $12.99 canister back there. They have quite a few random ones around, but I see Disney and the cartoons. You see that? A lot in this area right here. Okay guys, I am in this beautiful table. Let me show you. You see? And look what I spot. My hot cocoa mug and cookie test. Santa's cookie tester. I love this mug. I've been wanting a hot cocoa mug, but this is even better. Okay, I'm going. Taking it with me. This is going home. It's definitely going home. Okay, they have a section here where they usually have lots of mugs in an end cap. I'm gonna try to see mirror. Yeah, I'm easily distracted. They have this area here has all the black Rae Dunn. I love this Homegoods. It's just the music sometimes is really loud and you can't really talk, but this says mirror and it has the witch in the bag. This one says what? Pray, wait, and ooh, this one is beautiful. Pray, wait, and trust in blue. They have a few syrups here. Onions. I was looking for that onion a few years ago. Now I don't need it. I got over it. Tortillas, hot stuff, and oh my god. I can't wait to see a display of this autumn stuff. You guys are very talented. Oh, they have another onion here. See that? Okay guys, so I did not know this was a thing. Did not know this was a thing. Okay, I know about these right here, but these right here, nope. Pumpkin spice medium roast coffee. What? $6.99. Wow.